Hello and welcome. This is my next lecture of lecture 5 on leadership. In this lecture, I'm going to share with you some interesting facts, what I call leadership at the table. When leaders sit and discuss and go for bargaining or communicate with each other. So, how can you identify the body language of a leader and you try to understand what it could mean? So the body language, you need to identify and understand the body language of others as a leader and try to understand what it could mean. Number one, there can be multiple aspects of understanding the body language, but here I would be sharing with you a few of them. Number one, if a person is avoiding eye contact, what does it mean? It means lack of confidence in bargaining position. Number two, if you think as a leader, you're observing somebody and you see that the person is making excessive eye contact, what does it mean? The person is trying to bully you or intimidate you. Number third, if the person is fiddling with objects like hair or pencil or paper or like that, fiddling, what does it mean? It means the person is lacking or showing a lack of confidence towards you in a bargaining position. Next, if a person is crossing or uncrossing the legs, what does it mean? It means the person is impatient. The person wants to cut the deal out, or he wants or she wants to go away or leave it. So as a leader, you need to understand. And one more I would be sharing with you today. If a person is keeping legs and arms crossed like this, what does it mean? As a leader, you need to be intelligent to understand what is the body language he or she is communicating. So, if the arms and legs are crossed, what does it mean? It means the person is not receptive to your statement or whatever you are saying or your bargaining position. Hope you liked it. My name is Dr. Zia. Please subscribe, share, and press the bell icon. I thank you very much and see you in my next lecture.